Twinkle Tunes Kids.
Hello friends, come and see good and bad habits, 1, 2, 3. Some help us grow, some we change. Learning new habits is fun and strange.
Good habits help me shine. Bad habits, I say not mine. Brush, share, smile all day. Choose good habits every day.
Wake up early, stretch up high. Wash my face, wave goodbye. Brush my teeth, scrub, scrub, scrub. Clean and fresh, rub-a-dub-dub. Oops, bad habits.
Throwing toys, oh no, no, no. Leaving mess, let's not go slow. We can fix it, yes we can. Clean it up, that's the plan. Good habits help me shine. Bad habits, I say not mind. Kind words, helping hands. That's how happy living stands.
Say please and thank you too. Share your toys with friends near you. Helping others feels so nice. Kindness grows when shared twice.
Eat your veggies, crunch, crunch, crunch. Drink some water with your lunch. Sleep on time and rest your head. Dream sweet dreams inside your bed. Choose good.
Good or bad, what do we do? Choose the good, yes, that's true. Try again if you make mistakes. Learning grows with every step we take.
Good habits help me shine. Bad habits I leave behind. Jump, clap, sing and say, I choose good habits every day. Great job, friends, you did it today. Keep good habits when you play.
See you soon. Bye-bye.